10 Best Liquid Diet to Reduce Weight. Liquid diets are a popular choice for those looking to lose weight quickly and efficiently. These diets focus on consuming liquid-based meals, which can help control calorie intake and promote weight loss. Here are 10 of the best liquid diets to consider. 1. Clear liquid diet involves clear liquids like broths and juices. It's low in calories and often used for short-term weight loss or medical purposes. 2. Full liquid diet includes both clear and opaque liquids such as milk and smoothies, providing more nutrients while still aiding in weight loss. 3. Juice cleanse diet focuses on consuming only fresh fruit and vegetable juices, offering vitamins and minerals with fewer calories. 4. Meal replacement shakes, convenient shakes that replace meals, providing balanced nutrition while controlling calorie intake. 5. Protein-sparing modified fast, a high-protein, low-carb diet that preserves muscle mass while promoting fat loss. 6. Soups and broths diet, warm soups and broths with lean proteins and vegetables keep you full while reducing calories. 7. Green smoothie diet, blends leafy greens with fruits, offering fiber and nutrients to support weight loss. 8. Detox water diet, infused water with fruits and herbs, helping reduce appetite and promote hydration. 9. Liquid low-carb diet, high-protein, low-carb shakes and broths encourage fat burning through ketosis. 10. Bone broth diet, rich in collagen, bone broth supports weight loss and gut health, often combined with fasting. These liquid diets can be effective for weight loss when followed carefully, offering a range of options to suit different needs. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.